Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwowa searching
to my prefer. Yeah, chairman back up, chairman to me to say oko ufre asante regional chairman no ba hadie hani here what I say party no ni tickets here pa baako national chairman no eno ne here nti say ye pre so no so mra enti mo kan ho asem bone na medical ka kire mo uta onyonko uso onyonko a otan so what I say o se onyonko a otan enti chairman untumi ye obi a eye otan ye party man no dodo no a etan no and we are say no the base phone na against chairman untumi. You know why because chairman untumi attached to I can't say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and then obi bia obemba Baumia be people we say bia no the base phone ebeba also direct because they hate Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. It the omo ye the party no so want to make catch you play say they know say they can win power. There is no way the base can win election in Ghana. It's not just obedi abro obese vote. Eno na ma adwenbone ba kwatiri mo tongu. Chamba ya. Ye beto obai ba akwa ekoto 2 years ago. Onye 37 no. Ano peje no beti ti say offense metro mine opeje na de. Ano be konkro wo party no so. Onye 37 the next time there. Sata wono government near power. Into all the government appointee time by mechi government influence and yes you into okika ya na manfo di Akuffo atem di say ai Akuffo na ko choose offense leader amaye na ko yempe and Akuffo na ko choose na ye kran ya ready and Akuffo na ko choose Mary Poku, Minasi. Ya Frebi, it be line to my yamu frefre. Open my some son, Yamun Namu, and I'm for my grandchildren. I have to be a yin. I just say, Namun Namu de my grandchild. We are the Mubachi, Mubachi do myself, but they are my friend. What I say? Eddie. It could be say. You be so. A idea on my planet. On my planet. Omo plan to be bia who the one me say mo dem wa ha mo hwe obi bia we behind Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bia no you be their enemy. Yes, and obufui a we party ni mo obufui hwe say obeye campaign tia Chemahuntu onwa ne ma arrested and then Akuffo gada say yemfa Chemahuntu yemfa ho report nko na yenya ne njeli Chemahuntu and then I know what is always have your captain was started yenjeli Chemahuntu a attorney general I don't blame him or see we need evidence so enipa no e wo mo say wonye onyenya evidence bia no attorney general we nipa woni mo say ono so woda kete so wonya boa see nipa no onya evidence bia mfa no na wo tainti obi e push say yemfa nipa no kotum na ono wadi animu ene wo kodi animu na fa kotum no na kotum at the end of the day no ko fa case ne no me ama ho obra onim say nipa no I know man mo dia bra say on fa ko prosecute nipa no eni nda so enya so bi enim enti ene delegate mutemi ensem a ayi obufo ye o party mu ekoso ekogina ekotaya NDC for chi say yenye mo untumi asem ne yenku untumi nda no na ye because of say untumi aka who say untumi na first person o ka say chairmanship no obeba enti sa no mani na ka ho bi no mo ye wanye say umbe punish chairman untumi ene nyame ya dom ye nwi asem ne die na nso wasamba so obegina dia ye besere mo say mo kotoba na eye kolabo sremo a kokofu ene Chemahuntu pe ene betimi apagya party no omo ye bi pen Chemahuntu obi en masante rogi e bankola ono moko ye no kokofu bankola ono mo company ono mo community ba bia omudi mbi ye besere mo se obeboa na mutimi aboa na yere chema untumi ene yewura Harry Kwamna Kokofu abaye kolabo no na nyame yadom a omutimi awini obeka say ai mo de se de ise we ya se ma sika se chema untumi wa fa telephone bukura frame say SK mpeso campaign bukura nyankopon kura emfa nya hana frame da chema untumi menene kasa ya obra na yato abana wie asa atam na oyare etese oyare ayeso ko onya serious ayi e o landing na me pese me friend na me tese no kre ti empower testing me videos ni video ni ade say the home fa no apart from that since that time be sin ne maintain ni kasa biem menene kasa menene chati biem be sin ne enso be kasa ai and I mean mirror area Akuffo oba me platforms I say I know openye sika bia breme enya hwe sebe minim nyansa sebe miti we minim ade papa na minim ade bone eti mentwen ma yero Akuffo me musika ansa na ma company amanana does it make sense sesa na eka dia na se ka me trust makonye mu ase na me dwedwe me ho like ma twen se me danda me ho se ya na ma twen se Dr. Mamu ba we musika nanka obrem musika wi a anka achire no nanka my campaign ma ntwen ama na ama frame at the same time you believe say me nka se masa kra sa wo de me bakwa to mbatwe bedi nto so no ye masika san ya to biba ebi e kire wo how odo ame wo de me nipa no nti mu am beka dem beka bi amonka se ma musika o se ma musika o enye problem no na ha me to wa kasa asam seme una wo ha nti ya me na betre ma mencha do for fast na afi me fa main topic ne mra nti twema untumi ni Kukufu de wo mo chi ni wani mo bie ni ho mesre mo delegate said ye mo ye ma Dr. Mahmood Bawumia no mo nye sa anso ma me nia Daniel, God bless you, of Ken Zach, God bless you, Dignity Care, God bless you, ma me nia Pake, God bless you, ma me Mama Tess, God bless you, nia Almi, God bless you.
You know.
Okay.
Me ma ka kire wo say eye me call ye no anko yie utie me call ye na anye den anko yie. Okay, all right, tell me ba inti no metna se na my adwuma and I say I want to take my time and then think of what I want to do next. Me dia no me a ubedi metne dia make no no na dia obetna ha one more brake kan kwase asem edifa Dr. Bawumia any MPP ho no eka say MPP nya ade na NDC better than MPP no or say by force o amen kwete me ho. Hello Sterling who bibi kan. Okay, you pepacho you mate na odi obedi mi mechi ni say okote party ama me by force the base yate a party chale Ghana for me na obedi mechi no me ya baby nkoka say me kote party o say 2x4 adwene na we bedi mechi because o dey say ye be dawa lotion ama o ambemu no o dey kwa kote party. Let me tell you people this, and nobody should control me on this. Some of the Kennedy Japan supporters, some of the Brian Champion supporters, some of the Educhum supporters, Cabinet Japan, anyone who went for the election supporters, Amudin kwasi play, enti ana mo ho nya kono bi no. Se moya mo ho se mo ba be ye mo ho enemy of the state, enemy of progress here. This time around, yen fan chemo. Ye begi doctor campaign ni de sin China ya mampenifo na omo ye yina koye. Na ye no ya seda e de kobre e de aboyeti ene mo atena nkwasea api so e di nkwasea sam we bi nsi Ghana da. Se mo obobo obodam a Yakoto aba. Abato no yato awie. Di owini ye wini. So far Brian Champo megina baby anka se ote ne ho. So far Kennedy Japan enyina baby aso ote ne ho. Enti abaifo nkurasefo na wo maame no nim nyansa enti no. Wo mama abodamfo ma na ne wo nyenyem ye. Edi sikadie ne nkwase asem abefra MPP mu a wo person nkwase asem ba MPP no you are warned. You are very warned. This time we will not tolerate the stupidness. It's not going to happen. May catch them playing. Mo amujina asa Kennedy Japan kwankwati ni sabi mo no sabi mujina ho ye den. Mo kwati party ne. Aden na mo ankasa mo kwankwati party no. But mo jimi mo ya baifo. At the papa ekoso mo mpenti no, yemfa distraction. Emfa mrem. Until Kennedy Japan does a press conference to tell the whole world, says he say MPP no on kahubio na wakoti the party no. You guys are irrelevant trash. Moye trash. Especially when I'm TikTok and social media no. Moye trash. Moye wuda. Moye got musio. Those bloggers, 2x4 bloggers, no mukra 70 viewers, 50 viewers for no. Muntie ni ye pa. Until Kennedy Japan himself tells you so kwatino no. Monfa mani wuo. Mo beye ene mo nkwase etire esi mo nkwase akonso enkodi mo maame no aduane. No chance for imbecility this time around. Senkura sesem no ye meso so this time around kra. Na o modam a we be di me machi. Na najwa we be di machi. I don't even care if Kennedy Japan is behind them. I don't give a fuck. Man, no, what I care is that Kennedy Japan hasn't come out to say anything. So for me, he has not come out to say it. Until Kennedy comes out to say it and now he's no longer, then we treat him like Alan. But as it stands, same crasa for na mudi di nechi la sulala for na mudi nechi 50 viewers, 19 viewers for na ya na mudimino. This time, be very careful. People think it's a joke. Some obey ye na empire the papa. And untima betina bru chiriman mobra. Matri taxi 83 years, 33 years. I'll just say, can you Japan baby belima factory hoa? And I will tax in a in Americano, Ubenya Huskano, Sam Kurasam. We are not gonna tolerate it no more. Mo amokwaje parian for ye to talk cast mamo, phobia member kwasiye. This time I remember Jimmy. Now crowd ye say ye kase kolo abua mu abua nka phobia member number 1. Number 1, who we are see abaye, onyankopon amfa ahonfa amwa. Oho nyefe. Uti hwi nyefe. Osia pro. Wanum bon. Height so ayama ubi. Body so ayama ubi. Kasa so ayade ka brofo so ayama ubi. Reading your name kura na wu nim ye. Baumia, Baumia. Ne kraman yo wo fie kura ho wonfaso chen wo phobia member. Samira Baumia. Sebio mprediasa. Why na ye wie kura ko yi akone no de o yi akone no kura ho wonfaso chen wa bu abi te se phobia member. Na wo sa boy we dia mebo wo phobia member mebo. That's them we me we feed that. Any opportunity be a wo phobia member da ye be biem mebo say me yemu pa me can be a wo sa boy no mebo. People think it's a joke. When your party politics so there be sa boy need you make no physical, make no physical. Na make no chima na koni with him. I promise. I bet you come over. So I'll be with you. Me po boy, me po sa phobia member, me po phobia. Ebi na New York or no man ye be invite me here. And New York for ye be invite me the me ba